In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a slider repeater in Wix Studio. If you're looking to add a dynamic, engaging element to your Wix website, using a slider repeater is a fantastic option. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily whether you're new to Wix or have some experience. First, let's navigate to the Wix website editor. Once you're there, we're going to begin by adding a repeater to your page. This is an essential step because the repeater functions as a framework for the slider we're about to create. Look towards the left-hand side of your screen at the toolbar. Click on the button labeled Plus Add Elements. This is where you will find a variety of elements that can be added to your website. From here, navigate to Layouts and then select Repeater. You'll see the option to drag a repeater onto your page. Once you do, Wix will automatically populate this with some default item templates like boxes or cards. These are your building blocks. Now that we've added the repeater, the next step is to design your repeater item. This is where your creativity can shine. You can customize your items to match the theme and aesthetic of your site. Consider the types of content you'll be displaying and how you can best use images, text, and color schemes to make them pop. Take some time to experiment with different styles until you're satisfied with how each item looks. Remember, consistency across items is key to maintaining a professional appearance. With your repeater looking just the way you want, let's move on to adding slider controls. Slider controls will enable users to seamlessly transition between your repeater items, enhancing navigation and user experience. To add these controls, select your repeater and then in the toolbar, look for slider options that let you add arrows or navigation dots. These typically come with customization options in terms of color and size, so integrate this into your existing design. Finally, take some time to edit your slider settings. This is the last step in the process, but it's crucial for ensuring optimal functionality. You may want to adjust the transition effects, alter the speed, or configure looping options depending on the user experience you want to create. It's a good idea to preview your site as you make these adjustments to make sure everything flows smoothly. And there you have it, a beautiful, functional slider repeater that seamlessly integrates into your Wix website. By following these steps, you've created an engaging feature that will surely enhance your visitors' experience. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd be more than happy to help out. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.